The date is right there on the web page. So why does Zotero say there is no date for your citation? If you've ever seen N period, D period in an APA citation, even though the website clearly has a date, here's what's happening and how to fix it. On this web page, the publication date is clearly visible, but Zotero doesn't read websites the same way that people do. Instead, Zotero looks for the information stored behind the scenes in the web page's metadata. If Zotero can't find it in the metadata, it assumes there is no date. Fortunately, the fix is easy. I'll show you exactly what to do. In Zotero, select the source that does not have the date. In the information panel on the right, you will see that the date field is blank. Locate the publication date from the web page or your notes and enter it into Zotero. Once it's fixed in Zotero, go back to Word. Using the Zotero tab in Word, click on Refresh. N period, D period will be replaced with the correct date. Zotero saves you a lot of time, but review your citations before submitting your paper. Now you know how to quickly fix the N period, D period in your citations. If you are having other problems with the date or with Zotero, contact the St. Leo librarians. We are here to help.